and I'll be showing you guys how I come up with my profile photo, not my profile photo, but my emblem for my YouTube channel. When I say my YouTube channel, I'm talking about my family's YouTube channel. We just have fun, make creative videos, you know, la-da-da-da-da. So first of all, we're gonna go to objects. We're gonna create this. Then we're gonna create some smaller ones. I'm gonna grab this tool, black, and control, like, edit, undo rotate, edit, copy, edit, paste. Alright. So I have this one right next to each other. And here, I guess what I'm gonna have is like a hand. I'll show you guys later on what the finished project looks like. As in here, I'm just doing a little quick run around. So edit, copy, edit, paste, bam, bam. So we have that. I want the fingers to kind of stand out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. And with that in mind, I'm also going to copy it and I'm also going to paste it. Here we are going to turn it down the road. Switch it back to this one. Bam, bam. And this right here is how I've created a little emblem. We're going to want to add the thumb, which could take a little bit of time, but because I'm going through it fast, I'm just going to bam, bam that. Yeah, right here, black. So I fly drones. I haven't told you guys this yet, but I fly drones, and here we have a little of a bit of a hand. It doesn't look like a hand yet, but let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here I have pulled up my YouTube channel. As you guys can see, you have semi-okay views, to be fully honest with you guys. But as you guys can see, we have the two fingers. I forgot about the thumb. We have the other two fingers, and then we have the propellers, just to show you guys how we do videotaping and all that. We have a few good subscribers. If you guys ever have a chance, please subscribe, as we are always planning to grow. You know, we make anything from videos, but here I am done. My name is Valentin Gorovitz. I just want to show you guys a little video of how I work on making our logo. And whenever you have a chance, give us a subscribe, a like, and you already know what to do. Thank you.